Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make friend list private on Facebook. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and log in your Facebook account. Look at this, my Facebook account dashboard. Now I am showing a simple method, so follow this process. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon, settings and privacy, and tap on setting. Look at the left side and tap on how people find and contact you, and select this option, who can see your friend list, and customize this, only me, and then save. Okay, now done. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our Tutorial River channel.